Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the final tour of this remodel. So this remodel I've done, if you followed along in the previous episodes, just for an Airbnb. So it was a little bit bigger project than I initially thought it would be, mainly because my standards kept going up as we got into the remodel, which if you remodel places, you understand. Once you rip something down, you might as well fix this. Once you fix this, you gotta fix that. So that happened. But right now, I'm about 95% done with this project. We still got a few little drywall issues, a couple little grout issues, not really issues, but places we need to finish. We also need to paint the upstairs, the final color, and install baseboards up there. So right now the floor all on the main level is done. Carpet upstairs is done. Carpet on the stairs is done. All the walls have been painted. Trim has been painted. Shoe molding installed. Blinds are up. Light fixtures, fans all installed. What else? All the plumbing has been redone and is working. Drains all working. So we made a lot of progress. I am in the kitchen adding a couple cabinets and a microwave that aren't here yet, so that'll be in the final reveal. Alright, so as we walk right in through the front door, again we're in the living room. Everything in here is 100% done, so what you see is what you get. So this one is done. Then we walk into the downstairs bedroom. Everything in the downstairs bedroom is done as well. Besides, I need to put one more coat of primer in the closet and then the final coat of paint. Besides that, everything else in here is done. Once we walk back through the living room and into the kitchen, we walk into what will be the dining room. That back wall, the shiplap wall, still needs a coat of paint. Its final coat of paint. The door needs some paint, but everything else in the dining room is complete. And then in the kitchen, there'll be a stove here, a cabinet here, an upper, and then a microwave and cabinet here. I'm still waiting on those, but that should only take a few hours to install. Cabinet pulls and lots of plants. And then this door, unfortunately, it's so small. It's only a 24-inch door. I don't like when the door cuts into the cabinets, so that's why I made it downsize a door into a 24. Unfortunately, that means I had to leave the door completely out until I had the tub and everything else in, because it's that small I can't even get a tub in there. So this was all an after add on both sides to make up the difference. So that still needs a final top coat of mud, sanded and painted, unfortunately. So I get to make another mess. Then we walk into the bathroom. The bathroom turned out really good. Still need a few pieces of trim on the bottom. I still need to silicone or grout caulk around all the edges. I need to grout the little niche, which will be black grout. And then I also need to texture the ceiling. And over here I need to add the light back on. I need to hang the mirror. And then I have a few pieces of trim at the bottom. Then we come through here. This still have no window for, but we come upstairs. This is where most of the work needs to be done still. Both of these walls right here need to be skip troweled, which is a texture. We also need to get another piece there to finish that. So up here we need to paint the ceiling. Over here I decided to build a wall. I think the wall really separates the room and give you two usable spaces. I went ahead and added a couple outlets, and we added puck lighting. So this will be the second bedroom, which it's kind of small. Square footage wise it's not small, but the height is pretty small. And then on the other side of the wall, this will just be like a lounge type office. And then we have our closet, which is really just built to hide that vent pipe. So, and then we have shiplap on both walls, still need to be painted. So as you can see, we are right at the finish line. We just need a few little touch-ups. I'm thinking about 3 more full days of work, and every little thing will be crossed off the list. In the next video, we'll be showing you a tour of it completely staged and the theme of the place. So really happy about that, and hopefully we have this on the market before February 1st. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.